Good morning, departure Vision 379, Juliet Mike 1.5 for 3000 and the turn to 090.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 140.
Right turn 140, Juliet Mike.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 180.
Right turn 180, Juliet Mike. Clear for takeoff, runway 19, 379 Juliet Mike. Anyway, yeah, I was talking to Chuck Byrd the other day. Chuck is a professional pilot and a flight instructor that had an Air Force career and everything prior to general aviation. And we're talking about pilot techniques and different things that we like to do and teach and talk about when we mentor other pilots. And he's got this system called the W.A.N.T.S, W.A.N.T.S, and that's a check that he does right before engine start. And the W means weather, right? So by the time he's in the pilot seat getting ready to start the plane, he wants to make sure he has weather for not only the departure airport, but his landing airport, as well as any alternates along the way. So that's weather. And then the next one will be A, and you might say, what's the A mean? A means activate the flight plan. So, in other words, if you're activating a VFR flight plan, do that, or pick up your IFR clearance. That's a reminder to do that. And then the next one is NOTAMS, N for NOTAMS, and notice to air missions. And basically that means to obtain the NOTAMS for your departure airport as well as your destination and any alternate you might have filed. NOTAMS, notice to air missions. So that's important information relative to the airports you are departing or heading toward. And then T, of course, is a verification that you have obtained your takeoff and landing data. So you want to know the takeoff distances and landing distances, and make sure by the time you are in the plane, get ready to fly and get ready to start,
588 Juliet Kilo,
you are all set to go with your weather. You've activated your flight plan. You've reviewed all your NOTAMS, and of course that you have already determined your takeoff and landing data.
November 24 Bravo Victor, traffic's going to be at your
so that's the Chuck Byrd W.A.N.T.S acronym for a checklist to do right before you start the plane. Because, you know, when you think about it, you don't want to be collecting weather information and NOTAMS and doing your takeoff and landing calculations with the engine running, right? So it just makes sense to make sure that's knocked out before you start the engine. So
3 o'clock, about 10 miles northwestbound out at 280 for 240 regional jet.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when new video content is posted. And I can't thank you enough for your questions, comments, and feedback. Until next time, safe flight, and we'll see you on the next flight.